Hey everyone, so in this video we'll take a look at the newest smartwatch from the Xiaomi sub-brand Kieslect. Priced at only $69, it still classifies as a budget smartwatch. The biggest new feature is the waterproof microphone, which allows us to make and receive calls, and of course use any voice assistant. So guys, let's get straight to the unboxing. The Kieslect KR smartwatch comes in this compact little box. We have all the key features: Bluetooth phone call, 1.32-inch SEMI-AMOLED display, over 60 sport and activity modes, and even built-in games. At the back we have a list of some of the other features and functions, as well as a QR code to download the Glory Feed app. Now the watch sits snugly inside the box, more on this later. Inside we also get a magnetic charging cable and a very detailed user manual. So guys, here's the watch itself. It has a waterproof metal body and I really like the overall design. The watch looks and feels very sleek and well built. The display quality is pretty impressive considering the price of the device. We are working with the 1.32-inch SEMI-AMOLED display with a resolution of 360 by 360. The colors are vibrant and rich, it's bright enough, so no problem when using it outside on a bright sunny day. We also have high hardened glass, so no worries about scratches either. The back of the smartwatch is made from plastic. Here are all the sensors and the contact pads for charging the device. Now the battery lasts around 3 to 5 days depending on your usage, and up to 10 days in standby mode. Next, on the side we have the built-in speaker and the waterproof microphone. There are also two buttons, one is to wake up the smartwatch and the second is used to access the sports modes and the voice assistant. These straps feel really nice, snug and comfortable at the same time. Overall I can say I'm extremely happy with how the watch sits and feels on my wrist, so 10 out of 10 for comfort. Now let's go through some of Kieslect's KR main menus, features and key functions. When we swipe down we get to a shortcut menu, where we can activate the flashlight, night mode. We also have quick access to the phone call menu, adjust the brightness level and enter the settings menu. Here we can change to some of the preloaded watch faces. You can install hundreds more from the Glory Feed app. And from that center button we can change the main menu icons layout. When we slide up we can access the message notification center. Swiping right gets us to the main menu. Here we can find all the sports mode, status, which shows the number of steps, calories burned and distance walked. The phone call menu, which we'll check out in just a minute, and of course the 24-hour heart rate monitor. Sleep tracking, you can get more detailed information about your sleep pattern in the Glory Feed app as well. We also have blood oxygen saturation level. This parameter is also tracked during your sleep, which is also a really nice feature. You can control your music player from the Kieslect smartwatch, and thanks to the built-in speaker, the watch can actually play music by itself. We'll check the sound quality later in the video. We also have a continuous stress monitoring, a breath rate monitor and even 2 built-in games. So as you can see guys, this smartwatch is packed full with different functions and features that you might use in your daily activities, and in that way reduce the time spent checking your phone, unlocking it every 2 minutes to check for notifications and so on. Another really nice feature that I find myself using almost daily is the music player controls. And if you enable the phone audio setting, you can actually play the audio through the smartwatch, and let's check out the sound quality. But perhaps the most convenient feature here is the ability to use voice assistant, so let's test the feature, guys. Hey Google, set alarm for 7 AM.
Okay, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Hey Google, open camera. As I said earlier, I've been using the watch for a few days now and never had any issues with the voice assistant feature. Now guys, regarding the phone call feature, you can either make calls by going through the phone call menu or just use the voice assistant instead. And let's check out how's the voice quality during a short phone call. Hey Google, call Jim.
Jim, mobile.
Hello, this is a sound check. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is a sound check for the Kieslect watch. Checking the voice quality of the Kieslect watch.
And guys, another important thing is to download the Glory Fit app on your phone and pair your Kieslect smartwatch. From the app, you can access even more customization options, get more detailed information about certain functions and tracked values. So that's it guys for this review video. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and well-built smartwatch that also has phone call and voice assistant functions, I think the new Kieslect KR is a great option, and you should definitely consider it while browsing for a new budget smartwatch. If you're interested, you can find a link to the Kieslect store in the video description. Thank you all for watching and see you guys next time.